Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's vlog, we're going to be learning how to create cartoon animation. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and today's video was requested by a subscriber, so I do hope you enjoy. The first thing you need to do is click on the Protagon app, then wait for it to load. It is loading. Okay. When you get here, click on create video. It will take you to this window where you have the A or audio icon. We are not interested in that. It is used to make text audio, and where you have the video icon, you click on the video icon, then click on scene as shown by the arrow. Here you will now have array of scenes that you can choose from. I am interested in a kitchen scene, so I'll just scroll down a bit to find it. I think I have seen it. Then just click on the scene. Aha. Click on the no character button. It will take you to this window where you have different character. You can either choose one or click on create character. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we want to create a new character. You can choose if your character is a male or female. I prefer the female character, and you can also edit your character. You can start by editing their face. Just click on it. Then you can choose the desired face you want. I think I like this face. The next one is the hair. You can decide to change the hair of your character. I think I like this hair. And you can also change the color of your character's hair just below the window. I have changed mine. The next one is the mustache. My character is a female, so she doesn't need one. Next, click on the eye icon where you can edit the face of your character. You can change her eyeballs. Then the next one is her eyelid. You can also change that too. You can change her eyebrows or the color of her lip. I think I like this one better. Next is the sunglasses. You can decide to wear your character a pair of sunglasses. I think I like this one. Choose your desired eye shade. Then the next one is the top. I think I like this top, so I'm not going to be changing it, but you can scroll and choose any one you like. You can also change the color below. The next one is the trouser she's wearing. I can decide to change it to a trouser or a skirt. Just click on the trouser icon and you can decide to change it, but I think I like this one, but I'm just going to change the color to black. Yes. So the next one is the shoes she's wearing. I don't like this one. I'm going to change it. I think I prefer this one. I'll just click on it, and you can also change the colors. Don't be scared. Don't be afraid to play with colors. The next one is the voice. You have only available here is United States voice, so I'm just going to leave it. Then you have the background. You can change the background of your character. Choose any background of your choice. The next one is the name. So I'm going to change this name from Dolly, I think, to Grace. I prefer Grace. So when you're done, click on done. Wait for it to load. It's loading. You now have Grace as one of your character. You can see Grace here with her sunglasses. Having created your character, the next thing you need to do is start choosing them. So I'll click on double CC. I've chosen double CC. Then the next character I'll choose is Grace, the one we just created. Just click on the picture on the animation. Then you need to start writing your script and adding your voice. Click on the message button as shown by the arrow. Then no actor button to add an actor. I've chosen double CC. In the neutral button, this will allow you to choose the expression of your actor or character. I have chosen relieved, but you can choose from the different options available. Then here I'm going to type my script. Quickly going to type out, "Hi Grace, I am so relieved you are back." Okay, so I'm just going to type that out real quick. Okay, having done that, go to the microphone button as shown by the arrow. Click on it and read out your script. Click on this red microphone button and read out your script. Click on the red microphone to end it, then click on the green button on the right hand side to complete it. Once you see the microphone button showing yellow, it means you have successfully recorded your voice. Click on the message icon once again, choose another actor, this time around Grace, then choose the expression for this actor. It could be sad or anything. Okay, I'm trying to decide which expression to choose. Okay, I think tired is appropriate. So I'm going to type out the script for Grace now. Oops, I made a mistake. I think what I want to type out is answer to Double's question. So I came in not long ago. Not long, sorry. Why are you tired? Haven't typed that. Click on the microphone button. Click on the red microphone button again to record your script. You can see the script on the microphone bar. Then record your script. Then click on the red button again to stop your recording when you're done. Click on the green button on the right hand side to complete it. Click on the message button to record another conversation or voice. Click on the actor. This time is double and choose the expression. Okay, I'm trying to pick an expression for double CC. Okay. I think I'll settle for sad. Type out the script. Okay, then click on the microphone button again to record your conversation. Click on the red microphone button, then record your voice. Click on the red microphone button to stop the recording and click on the green button to end it. Click on the bell icon to add sound to your animation video. When you click on the sound button, you'll see different animation sound that you can add. So the moment you click it, it will show in your video. I want to exit because I'm not interested in that. Then the next one is this music icon. When you click on it, you can choose from different music. You can even import music from your file. I'm not interested in that, so I'm going to exit also. So the next one is the text icon. This A icon is for text. When you click on it, you can add text here. I'm just going to quickly add end to the end of this story, animation story. I'm going to type in the end. In order to play this animation story, I'm going to go to the beginning of the scene and just click on it. The first scene, I haven't clicked on it. I'll go to the right side of the window and click on play as shown by the arrow. You can see my animation story is playing and my characters are now talking. So, having done that, do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment if you don't understand anything, or give us a thumbs up. We are waiting. Haven't done that, I'm going to click on this icon to render my video. Just click on it and click on render video. You can also export it, but I want to render it. Then choose your resolution, your preferred resolution. You can now click on render video. Just click on the yellow icon, yeah. Then click on export with embedded subtitles to show subtitles in your animation video. Do not forget to let it render to the end. If not, your video will not save. And do not forget to subscribe to encourage us. Please, we are counting on you. Thank you so much for watching.